Morning, Saturday. I'm here at the next estate sale house, and we're moving along with the cleaning, the staging, and the beginning the pricing process, which is, the harder part, because we want to make sure that we get we price to sell, but we also want to get good fair market value for the homeowner and the family. So it's a bit more labor intensive, and as I'll show you around here, as our kind of business model is changing, we are sort of moving less from the vintage to the more antique and eclectic. That's probably the best way to put it. I'm not really sure how to put it. I'm waffling now, but our the items that we're selling are changing because we're kind of I suppose we're getting better. That's what I want to say, without seeming to brag. And our business is growing, and so we're able to sort of broaden our horizons and offer you a different estate sale experience. So this particular home, there's a lot of tribal art, carved figures. We've got the Italian, we've got the German, we've got some of the American Indian pieces, soapstone, Kentucky, the folk art from Kentucky, German guys, the Henri. So it's a real eclectic mix here. Lots of pottery, lots of signed pottery. The face jug has been popular. Some cool artwork. We've got some iconography. And this piece I just love. It's enamel on tin with a Florentine frame. We've got a Persian rug, and we do have a large Persian rug that's going to go in front of the sofa. But as usual, like I say, we have something for everyone. We've got jewellery, we've got furniture, we've got original oil, clothes, watches, jewellery, handmade toys. We've got lots of books. And as we've got, it's 2 weeks today that the sale is. We've got clothes, we've got kids' clothes, we've got vintage, adult clothes, ties, linens, a little bit of everything, as usual, which always makes this a fun sale. And so 2 weeks today, the sale, March 25th and 26th. It's up on estatesales.net, 10 till 4 each day, Saturday and Sunday. Sunday is usually, everything is 50% off except sterling, which is 20% off, and we do have some sterling. And we accept cash, check, credit, debit, Venmo, Cash App. We have everything priced, everything staged. We make it streamlined as possible. We make it fun, and we have lots of repeat customers. We also have, our reach is kind of growing. Social media, is helping with that. So we are getting people here from Charlottesville and Richmond and North Carolina. And so anyway, hope to see you here in 2 weeks, and I want to go and open the shop now. Cheers.